Good afternoon. This is Dr. John from Westchase Wellness Chiropractic Center. We will demonstrate what what adjustment look like in my office. Here we go. I always like to adjust prone a lot of time. We do supine adjustment. My patient will lay on their back. Right now, they lay on their stomach. It's called prone position. We're going to adjust. And my table does it's a drop table technique. And we're going to do that right now. I like always start with the neck because neck is where is the head of the table. Also, a lot of people have a straight neck because they look down on texting the phone for many hours or computer work for many hours, and people have a reverse curvature. And now we have my headpiece kind of pushed up a little bit and have things kind of extension a little bit. So I'm pushing against the grain a little bit to restore the proper curvature of the neck. Here we go. Just relax. That's perfect. So I had the headpiece up a little bit, tilted backwards, and the head is kind of in extension mode. That way it allows me to push back into the curvature to restore that reverse curvature. The neck and the lower back has a broad relationship. So if you adjust the neck, it will make the lower back feel better, or vice versa. Also, if you adjust the neck, you could make this better, or you do here, it also make this better. And at the same time, it will make the neck and the lower back better at the same time. And the mid back here is associated to a sacrum right down here. So we adjust that to just kind of balance the whole spine out. This is what we do in this office. Our goal is to restore the proper functioning of your nervous system, so you have better functionality, prevent future wear and tear to your spine. And if you have some arthritis, it just helps you slow down the arthritis. And we are moving the joint, keep the joint mobility, increase the mobility, includes flexibility. And I just kind of go down the spine, and I use one hand for palpation like that. Once you palpate, I go into a perfect form and adjust the spine in a particular direction. Now, for the lumbar, we're going to come in and I'll use his leg to help me determine if I'm going to adjust the sacrum or the pelvic. Here we go. I'm going to come back towards the end of the table. I'm going to look at his feet to see this leg's a little bit short, so I'm going to work down here, make the leg even. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Let me check that again. Now the feet looks even. I'll go into what we call position number 2. Looks good. I'll flex the leg a little bit. There's a little tightness on the right side still, so his pelvic's a little bit off, a little bit still. Very good. There's a certain angle that I do to drive a certain motion to your spine, and we do that on purpose, on design. It still has a little tightness when I flex his knee, so I'm still working on that right now. Good. Very good. Very good. He does have a lot of pain right here on his right SI joint. It's called sacroiliac joint. Still a little tight. So sometimes what I do is I come to the other side of the table and see if I can just change the vector on it, make a better change. Very good. I'll double check and see what we see here. Voila, that's much better. Almost there. It's almost there. Good. Good there. Let's go double check here. That is very, very nice. Now we'll transition to the another phase of the adjustment. Now I'll go to more the manual adjustment using my hand. We're gonna go for the low back or to the top here. Okay, take a deep breath in and hold it. Just hold it. Good. Hold your breath. Good. Now breathe out. Good. 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 Lay on your side. Perfect. He does have a lot of pain this side. We're going to see how that goes this time. Breathe in. Oh. Breathe out. Let it go. Good. 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 Just take your time. Roll over. It's easy. He does have a lot of discomfort on his right, but he's moving better. Good, good. There we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Breathe in, breathe out. There we go. Good. Very good. On your back, face up. Nice and easy. Just roll on your back. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna hug you. There we go. Good. 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 Very good. One more time. Very good. Very good. I'm gonna adjust his wrist now. Good. Perfect. Adjust his ankle. That was a really nice one. Wow, that's a really nice one. I'll adjust his knee also. Good. I'll distract the hip. Just relax. Good, that was good. All right, that was a good one. Yes. Good. Well, this is how a typical adjustment look like. Thank you for watching the video. Please share it. Hit the like and hit the subscribe button. That way you get indication of a new video when we upload. Thank you.